Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash and subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, we're going to be looking into top and best loan apps in Nigeria that you can actually use to get a loan of up to 1 million naira. So this video and these apps are not in particular order, but we believe you're gonna see the one that will definitely work for you based on your interest and what exactly you need. Some of them might actually give you a small amount of loan when you just get started looking into get a loan for the first timer, and then as time goes on the interest or the loan amount can actually increase. So we're gonna start with this particular one that help you get a loan of up to 200,000 naira, which is free money. Free money is one of the fast and rising loan app in Nigeria today. And as you can see right here, the app have generated over 100,000 downloads so far, and the overall rating is 4.0, and total review on this app is 1,640 thereabout. And this app is actually giving out a loan up to 200,000 naira, and the sign up process is easy, and the app is currently available on the Google Play Store for Android users who are very much interested in getting a loan. So the sign up process is very simple. As you download the app, just provide your phone number, then a verification code will be sent to your phone number to confirm. So once you confirm that, check on the accept the terms of use and privacy policy, and then you'll be able to sign up into the app. They also have a 100% online process where you get a loan of up to 200,000 naira, 2 minute application, and 1 minute to get a loan. You can start your application after signing up inside the app. Apply for a loan within the 3 steps, get credit and get money into your bank account, which of course you provided when you are trying to apply for the loan. They also allow you to automate your repayment. So maybe the bank you actually want them to deduct the money, you can include that in your free money app. So once you do that, they will deduct the money once the money is available. They also have a coupon code, which of course, if you have anyone that wants to borrow money inside their app, you can give that person your coupon code, and then you will earn money from that. You can also add multiple bank accounts inside the loan app, so that they will be able to disburse loan directly to the bank you provided while borrowing money. So if you also scroll down, you're gonna see the app of updated last year, July 2023. And if you scroll all the way down, you can see the reviews that people are dropping about this app. And this particular review have helped over 95 people so far. And this review was dropped on the April 27th, 2024. And if you also scroll down, you're gonna see another 1 star rating. There's another 1 star rating, and so on and so forth. Just make sure you go through the reviews so you can be able to decide on what exactly you want to do. The next one we're gonna be checking out in this video after this free money is K Credit. And we have made more video around the K Credit loan app. So we are including it as one of the best loan app in Nigeria today. You can say Credit gave you a high loan amount of money, and if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see that the app have generated over 500,000 downloads so far. The overall rating is 4.3, which is quite higher than the previous one we mentioned in this video. And then the overall rating is total reviews so far is 44,700 reviews. And if you scroll all the way down to the snapshot they provided, it's telling us that you can actually get a loan of up to 300,000 naira with K credit. You can opportunity for an instant loan with a limit of up to 300,000 naira one click to online loan, phone number and BVN is required before you can actually be able to apply for a loan on credit. They also have a loan of up to 300,000 for new user, and their loan tenure for between 91 days to 365 days. And you can also get the exclusive offer to credit inside the Quick Credit app. So they also give you access to apply for a loan on your mobile phone as long as you have internet access. You can see getting a loan of 300,000 naira, then you can schedule your monthly repayment to 76,500 naira, and within 3 months, which is um 6 months, you can actually complete your loan repayment. And they also give you a daily interest for as low as 0.1% interest, which is quite amazing. But then it all depends on you on how much you actually want to borrow. And you can also see they also provide more insights on their loan offer. So you can check out Quick Credit on Google Play Store and Apple App Store today and see if you will be able to get a loan of up to 300,000 naira on Quick Credit app. Aside from this, there are some other loan apps which of course they also give you a loan in Nigeria, and one of them is another Silk loan. So Silk loan is another quick cash loan in Nigeria that you can also use to get a loan that you need. So Silk credit, Silk loan have already generated over 100,000 download. The overall rating is 4.3, and total review on this app is 457, which is quite limit because it's not really that much. So, but then if you check on the snapshot, you're gonna see they offer a fast loan disburse to their user who are very much interested in using their app to get a loan. You can also download the app on Google Play Store. I'm not sure if they're available on Apple App Store yet, but you can actually check it out if you find them. You can also follow these 3 steps to get a loan on Silk Loan. So all you just have to do is to download the app, register, get credits, and get cash. And have in mind that not everyone that actually apply for a loan will get the exact amount of money they actually want to borrow, but then you'll be able to see how much loan you will have access to, and then you can decide if you would like to go with it or you don't want to take the loan. So if you are getting a loan of 20,000 naira and the loan tenure is around 90 days, you can also choose how you want to do your loan instrumental payment. So maybe you want to pay 10 times to complete the money. So you can actually decide how you would like to refund or pay back the money to borrow from the platform. So it's very easy to use and everyone can actually apply for a loan as long as you have internet access and you can download the app from Google Play Store. So they also explain and give you insight on how to repay the money, and the best way you are actually paying the money, it will be reducing and it will also be counting in your account. So this is just for Silk loan. Another one, which of course you can also check out if you are very much interested in getting a loan in Nigeria, is Steady Cash. This is another reliable loan app in Nigeria that you can also use to borrow money. Steady Cash also generates over 500,000 downloads, and then the total review so far is 19,300, and the overall rating is 4.6 rating, which is quite great, which means people are actually using this app to borrow money very well. So on their snapshot right here, you can see dream within reach, worry-free loan up to 200,000 naira. And if you slide to the left, you're gonna see that they offer a very easy loan, which of course you have to follow 3 steps as well. So you provide your name, your phone number, and then you can get a loan from their app. You can also borrow money anytime, only within 1 to 3 minutes. So BVN card required. You can see low interest rate, no collateral, 100% legit, no paperwork needed. You can submit at any time you have or you're ready to borrow money. no harassment call, 100% legit, so you don't have any issue to worry about when you are trying to get a loan on this app. So they also provide on their about app page that you can get a loan from 30,000 naira to 900,000 naira, and their loan tenure fall between 91 days to 200 days. So, and their APR is 20% per year. So the amount of loan you're actually trying to borrow will determine the interest rate they're gonna charge you. And if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see reviews from people, what people are actually saying about the app. So this particular review was dropped on the May 16, 2024, as you can see right here. So the review was very bad, I guess. So this another one, which is 4-star rating, which is quite great. And this another low rating, which is just 1 star. But then, like I used to say, you have to go through the review to see what people are actually facing about that particular app, which of course you want to use to borrow money. Then you can then decide if this app is gonna work for you. But then you can actually go through all the reviews inside the platform, so you can actually tell which review is good and which review is bad, or judging the app based on the review completely. But then if you don't try it out, you may not be able to decide if the app is going to give you money or not. But then you can check it out and let us know in the comment section which of these loan app actually gives you the exact amount of loan you want to borrow. We'll be interested in hearing from you. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.